Hi, and welcome to the UND UIT YouTube channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to install and use Zoom. So, go ahead and open up browser of your choosing, and in the address bar, you're going to want to type und.zoom.us/download, and hit enter. On the new page, go ahead and click the download button, and you'll see if you're using Chrome, it pops up in the bottom left. So go ahead and click on that icon, or go to your downloads folder and find the installer from there and run it. Once that opens and runs, you should see that a progress bar will pop up on your screen. Once that progress bar is full, Zoom has finished installing and is ready to be used. Go ahead and click the Sign In button. On this next page, click Sign In with SSO and type UND into the box and click Continue. It will automatically direct you to a new page in your browser. Here, go ahead and sign in with your NDUS account, same as you would for Blackboard or Campus Connection. Then go ahead and click Sign In. On this new page, if you get a pop-up, go ahead and click Open Zoom Meetings. If it doesn't, then just click Launch Zoom. Zoom should open up, and now you can start joining meetings. To join a meeting, click the Join button, then enter your meeting ID number from your instructor. Your instructor will put this in your class Blackboard page, or will send it to you through an email. Finally, click Join and the meeting will launch. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions or feedback for us, leave a comment on the video. If you want more information and to stay connected, you can check out our Twitter, which should be on screen now, and in the description below. Have a good one.